Let's make Baby Yoda hand puppets. First, take an egg carton that you have. Cut up the corner and trim off the edges. We'll use these centerpieces for the ears. Grab a plate and some green paint. Or you could use yellow and blue, which you guessed it makes green. Paint Baby Yoda's head. Then cut out triangles for the ears and paint them green too. Take an old brown shirt that you have and cut it into strips. Well, just one. And you're going to cut that one into half and put a cross on the front. This is where your thumb is going to go. Now that it's dry, you're going to put his face on there. Take some black paint and paint on some eyes, a nose, and mouth. Now we're going to do some surgery with some scissors to make some holes for the ears. Go ahead and put the ears in. This works best when the ears are still wet from the paint. Now put your thumb into the fabric that you've made, and then put the head on, and you've got yourself a puppet. So you can make this iconic scene from The Mandalorian.